Oregon received a shipment of personal protective equipment, or PPE, from the feds 2 days ago, but state officials say they only got some of what they requested, or, as the Oregon Health Authority puts it, it wasn't enough.
We still have a shortage. It's a national shortage.
And as a result, things like gloves, masks, gowns that are designed for single use are being sanitized and used multiple times. And healthcare workers are getting sick. Earlier this week, OHSU, Providence, Legacy Health, and Lynn County officials all confirmed cases of frontline healthcare workers testing positive for COVID-19. 31 in total. The state is scrambling to provide doctors and nurses with more protection and to stockpile PPE ahead of a possible spike in patients.
We're not only responding to the requests that the counties and tribes are asking for, along with their emergency managers, but also that we start to have a little bit of a buffer knowing that we have that surge potentially coming.
Some hospitals are doing more to keep staff in the loop about how much PPE they have. This is OHSU's digital supply dashboard. It gets updated daily. Yesterday, staff could see masks, gowns, and gloves were in the green range, meaning hospitals had at least 30 days worth. Respirators and facial protection were in the yellow range, meaning OHSU has anywhere between 7 and 30 days worth. If supplies drop into the red range, that means administrators are expecting to run out in 7 days or less.
Like, how have the employees been reacting to this?
Other hospitals have found themselves in more dire straits.
We were down to 2 days worth of shields.
Administrators at Legacy Health say that's when a nurse gave them a heads up. She'd been chatting with a man at church who worked at A-dec, a decades-old family-owned company out of Newberg that produces dental supplies. When A-dec heard about Legacy's need, they retooled their factory and retrained their staff to start producing face shields. Today, less than 2 weeks later, Legacy got their first shipment.
This is really a story about Oregonians innovating for Oregonians.
Our whole team is just very excited about this and the fact that A-dec has the resources to support the fight against COVID.
A-dec plans to produce thousands every week, enough to help Legacy build up a stockpile. That is, assuming their pipeline of supplies stays open. Nationally, there's a strain on the raw materials, too.
Nobody could have dreamt this up, right? I mean, it's just been a challenge for the entire country and the world.
Maggie Vespa, KGW News.